watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
As summer approaches, it's the perfect time to refresh your home decor with cozy cottage style. This charming and rustic design brings warmth and simplicity to every room, creating an inviting and serene atmosphere. Today, we'll explore a variety of cottage-style summer decor ideas that you can easily incorporate into your home to achieve a light, airy, and welcoming vibe. Nautical Summer Cottage Wreath. Embrace a coastal theme with a DIY nautical wreath. Use an old pair of jeans to create a budget-friendly and unique piece that brings a touch of the sea to your front door. DIY Summer Garden Clock. Repurpose an old tabletop to create a delightful garden clock. This project is not only fun but also adds a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. Bicycle Basket Upcycled Planter. Turn a bicycle basket into a rustic planter. This upcycle idea can also be adapted using other objects like old boots or buckets, adding charm to your garden or patio. Farmhouse Window Boxes. Enhance your home's curb appeal with farmhouse-style window boxes made from reclaimed wood and a stencil. Fill them with colorful summer flowers for a vibrant look. Garden Birdhouse. Dollar Store DIY. Create adorable garden birdhouses using budget-friendly items from the dollar store. These small touches can transform your garden into a cozy cottage retreat. Summer Coffee Table Vignette. Decorate your coffee table with a layered vignette. Use items like books, candles, and small potted plants to create a fresh and inviting summer look. Vintage Americana Porch. Decorate your porch with vintage finds and patriotic elements. This nostalgic look is perfect for summer gatherings and adds a welcoming touch to your entrance. DIY Trough Centerpiece. Use an old trough to create a rustic centerpiece for your dining table. Fill it with seasonal flowers and greenery to bring a bit of the outdoors inside. decorative sailboats. Make rustic sailboats to add a beach-inspired decor to your home. These charming pieces are perfect for mantels or shelves. Daisy Summer Art Printables. Download and frame vintage art prints featuring daisies. This easy project adds a touch of cottage charm to any room. DIY rope beach decor. Create coastal decorations using rope. This inexpensive project brings a nautical feel to your home, perfect for summer. Scrappy flag pillow cover. Make a flag pillow cover with fabric scraps. This simple sewing project is a great way to add a touch of Americana to your decor. Cute summer front entry. Decorate your entryway with real or foul greenery, twigs, and rustic containers like buckets or jars. This creates a welcoming and fresh look. Country-inspired summer kitchen. Transform your kitchen with neutral colors and touches of green. This simple rustic style is perfect for celebrating summer. These cottage-style summer decor ideas can easily transform your home into a cozy, inviting retreat. Whether you choose to DIY or incorporate vintage finds, each project adds a unique touch of charm and warmth. Happy decorating!